Hello there, I'm Isabella, your tutor. This tutorial covers the Poppyi form building process in greater detail. We will discuss the HTML input options available in order to create great interactive content. Let's go Mexico. The first option we will consider is the raw HTML option. Let's create this option by clicking on the Add Field button. Give the field a variable name. Type some HTML options of your choice. Here we have entered 2 headings and some paragraph text using normal HTML syntax. Set it as an input element to immediately display to the user. Let's create a text input field below the HTML field. Click Add Field and select Text Field. Give the field variable name and description. Here the description is named, an interesting description. Set it as an input element to immediately display to the user. To change the order of elements, click on the button next to the element and move the row up. Move the row down again. If we do not need an element, click on the element, in this case a button. Click Remove Field to delete it. Let's preview the content by clicking the Preview button. The preview shows the rendered page with headings from the HTML field type, as well as a text field input option with an interesting description. Great stuff! Now let's go back to the Poppyi form builder and add more content. Let's create a choice field option, a button, and a form container. Click Add Field and select Basic Choice Field. Give the variable name, a choice, or whatever. Give the description for the user to see. Give the comma-separated list of options. Here we will call them cat, dog, and mouse. Select the field as an input. Let's create a button by clicking Add Field. Give the variable name as main. This name should correspond to the function named main in our Python code. Give the button description as click me. Set the input type. Finally, let's create a pretty container to wrap our inputs in. Click the position where we want to start the container block. Click Add Field and select Container Block. Let's add the end of the container at the bottom of the page. Click Add Field again, select Container End Block, and move the row to the bottom of the page. Give the container start block and end block matching variable names. Set the display types for them as inputs. Give the container heading for the user to see. Hello container. Now let's preview this content. The preview shows the new elements created, which are a choice field with the options cat, dog, and mouse, a button with description, click me, and also a pretty container with description. Hello container. Clicking the button collects the form data and sends it to our Python function. On the next tutorial, we will demonstrate this functionality. Stay tuned and see you then.